Here we're estimating the mean from a grouped frequency table. The first thing to do is deal with the group, the fact that we've got between 0 and 20, 20 to 40, etc. We don't know what the values were, whether they're 3, 10, 15, etc. So what we do is we say, well, some are going to be, some are going to be at the lower end, some are going to be at the higher end. What's kind of the rough average of the group? And that means we use the midpoint of each group. So we're going to get 10, 30, 45. All I'm doing is looking for the middle number between the lower and the upper one, 55 and 70. Okay, what do we do now? Well, now I've got to think, right, I've got 5 vehicles that were 10. Sometimes it's easy to forget what a group frequency table is actually giving you. I've got 8 vehicles, which are 30, and so on. If I want to find the mean, I would add all of these up. And a quick way of doing that is to multiply them together and then add them up. So I'm going to get 50, 240. You can use a calculator for this. 37 times 45. 1665. 47 times 55. 2585. And 210. Okay, so I've just added them up individually, but now I want to sort of group it together. It's going to move that out of the way. So I'm going to need to find the sum of all of these, which I can do on the calculator. Be really careful not to make a mistake. 4750. Okay, it's going to have to be a reasonably nice number considering some of these here. And then we need to think about what we divide by. We don't divide by 5, that's just the different sort of groups we have. We need to divide by the total frequency, which involves adding these up. And actually, we can do this without a calculator. This is 50, this is 13, and that to 37, that's another 50. We've actually got 100. So the estimate is going to be 4750 divided by 100, which is 47.5. It's always good to just sort of see, does that look alright? If you're suddenly getting 90, that doesn't make any sense because the largest one was sort of 80. It's around the middle mark. There's quite a lot at the upper end, so yes, I'm happy with 47.5. Explain why it's not possible to use it to calculate the exact value of the mean speed. We have grouped data. Not raw data. That's because, so we've had to use this midpoint to help us estimate it.